Let us understand more on Tux Paint. Sketching with Paint tool. Open Tux Paint and select the New button from the Tools bar. Clicking on this button will open the color boxes and starters to start a new drawing. Let us start drawing a scenery using the Paint tool. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The shape of the pointer changes from a hand to a paintbrush. Select the brown color from the colors palette and draw a few mountains at the upper part of the drawing canvas. Now choose yellow color and draw a small sun behind the mountains as shown in the given figure. Select blue color and draw a wavy line for the river as shown in the figure. Now let us talk about SUB-TOOLBOX. The SUB-TOOLBOX is a unique feature of Tux Paint. For every tool in Tux Paint, we have many options of brush shapes, special effects and fonts in the SUB-TOOLBOX. SUB-TOOLBOX has many options for brush patterns, shapes and font sizes. We can choose any brush shapes from the SUB-TOOLBOX present on the right-hand side. Tux provides 50 different shapes to paint. Let us try one of the brush shapes and learn how to use it. HAZE brush shape. HAZE brush is a unique sub-tool which has a hazy appearance. We can use it to draw objects that are far away. Select the Paint tool. Now select the HAZE brush shape and select light blue color. Draw a few clouds in the sky. Similarly, select green color and draw the trees as shown in the figure. Great! We have learned how to use the HAZE brush shape. There are many more amazing brush shapes available in the SUB-TOOLBOX. Students, it's time to learn some magic. The most special feature of Tux Paint is the Magic tool. We can use the Magic tool to draw and give amazing effects to a picture. Select the Magic tool. The pointer will change to a magic wand. Now we will apply some magical effects to our drawing. Bricks effect. Select the Bricks Up tool. The bricks effect fills a pattern of bricks into the picture. Draw a hut using the Lines tool and apply bricks effect. Observe the change in the image. Blur effect. This sub-tool blurs the area of the picture on which this effect is applied. Let us see how it works. Select the Magic tool and then the blur effect from the SUB-TOOLBOX. Apply it all over the boundary of the mountains and see how it looks. You can use the blur effect as many times as you like. Every time you use this tool, the image will fade a little more than the original one. Let us now find out how to use grass effect. It is used to give grass effect in a drawing. Click on the Magic tool and select the grass effect from the SUB-TOOLBOX. Select green color from the colors palette. Now draw some grass by clicking on the canvas as shown in the figure. Fill effect. It is used to fill color in an object. The magic tool is already selected. Select Fill tool and choose blue color from the colors palette. Now bring the magic wand over the river and click on it. The blue color will be filled in the river. Select brown color and click on the mountains to fill brown color in them. Likewise, fill yellow color in the sun and red color in the roof of the hut. Flower effect. It is a ready-made option to draw flowers on the canvas. Click the flower tool, which is a sub-tool of the magic tool. Select orange color from the colors palette. Bring the magic wand over the grass. Keep clicking on the grass area to add flowers on it. Likewise, select different colors to add colorful flowers on the grass. We shall discuss about stamp tool. It is a simple tool used to put a stamp and add images in your drawing. TuxPaint already has some inbuilt stamps. Additional stamps can be downloaded from the following website: www.tuxpaint.org/download/windows. Further, select the link TuxPaint #stamp #2009.06.28 #win32 #installer.exe. On installing the stamps file, we can see various categories of stamps in the SUB-TOOLBOX. Click the Stamp tool. Choose any one stamp from the SUB-TOOLBOX. For more stamps, click the right or left arrow. Select the cock stamp. You can also increase and decrease the size of the stamp using the slope bar just above the colors palette in the SUB-TOOLBOX. Now click on the canvas and the stamp will be pasted. Likewise, select the hut stamp and paste on the canvas. Magic mirror effect. We can also use the mirror image of the selected stamp by choosing the mirror option below the right and left arrow keys in the SUB-TOOLBOX. Click the mirror button. Now paste the selected stamp besides the previous stamp. Brush patterns. Paint tool. TuxPaint gives us an option to draw beautiful patterns using the Paint tool. We can select any of the pattern shapes from the SUB-TOOLBOX. Let us see how many beautiful patterns we can make. Select the Paint tool. Now you will see the brushes SUB-TOOLBOX on the right-hand side. Select the filled circle shape and choose brown color from the palette. Draw the stem of a tree. Scroll down and select the vine shape. Select green color from the colors palette. Move the pointer to the drawing area and draw the leaves by clicking on the stem. You will see a beautiful tree as shown in the figure. Similarly, select other brush shapes and see how many different patterns you can draw. Okay, let me now tell you about Lines tool. Lines tool is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. It works quite similar to the Paint tool. The Lines tool has the same brush shapes in the SUB-TOOLBOX as in the Paint tool. The only difference between Paint tool and Lines tool is the order in which the drawing is displayed. While using Paint tool, you can see the image which you are drawing at that moment. On the other hand, while using Lines tool, you will see only a straight line from the starting point to the ending point. The pattern appears only after you complete the line and release the left mouse button. Now let us draw a pattern using the Lines tool. Select the Lines tool and choose any pattern from the SUB-TOOLBOX. Draw a straight line as shown in the figure. When you release the left mouse button, you will get a straight pattern in place of that line. If you draw an inclined line, you will find an inclined pattern. Students note that a line tool has the same brush shapes in the SUB-TOOLBOX as in the Paint tool. Okay, students, note important information that you can view all the saved files in the form of a slideshow by clicking on Slides button. Click on Play button to view the slideshow. The slide view shows every image in the form of a big slide. At the bottom right side of the screen, you will find the Back button. Click on it to go back to the previous window.